Yes, children. So today we are going to see Standard 4th, Unit 2, Lesson number 9, Time for Everything. Okay, so I will just first read out the poem. There's a time to run and a time to walk. There's a time for silence and a time for talk. There's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of the day. There's a time for everything you do, for children and for grown ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and actions fit. Okay, so by this poem, you people can understand it is all related about time. What it is given from heading also you can see time for everything. What it is given, the what does the poet tells us? The poet tells us that there is a time for everything. Okay, there is a time for everything. The poet tells us there is a time when we should run, when we should walk, when we should talk. Like example, in playground, what you people do at that time, what you can do when you're playing, you can run. When you're walking on the road, what you have to do, you have to walk there. At that time you can't run there. So in second sentence, what second line, what it is given, there's a time for silence and a time for talk. So when you people maintain silence, suppose you people are in hospital, in library, in classroom, at that time what we have to do, we have to maintain silence. And when there is a break, when there is a recess, at that time what you people do, at that time you people talk. At that time we can talk. Okay, so there is a time for work and a time for play. When suppose you are doing your homework, at that time what is your work, what is your time, that is the time for doing your homework, you are doing your work. And after that what people do, you play. So after that you get your playing time. At that time you have to play. Then there's a time for sleep at the close of day. Close of the day means end of the day. Okay, at end of the day what we do, there's a time of a sleep, of sleeping. We have to sleep at night. Okay, so there's a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. For children and grown-ups means your parents, your elder brother and sister, each and everybody should do their work on time, that is given. So for children and grown-up also, time should be followed. Each and every person should do their work on time. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the times and action fits. Now here what it is given, you have to see your time and the action, means time and action. What is the meaning in this last one? What it is given, time and action. Suppose you are in sitting in library, so what is the time? There is the time of reading. You have to sit and read there. At that time you can't talk. So what you have to see, you have to see your time and action. What is the situation, what is the time? Suppose the time is for playing, at that time you have to play. When you are sitting in classroom, at that time you will listen your lecture, you will do your studies. When is your sleeping time, at that time you will sleep. So each and every work should be done on time. So in this poem, what does the poet tells us, that there is a time for everything. There's a time when we should run and we should walk. Poet says that when we should maintain silence, when we should talk. Poet also says that when we should work and when we should play. Then poet also says that the time for sleep is at the end of the day. And for children as well as for adults, there should be time for everything that we do. We should even stand up and sit down at the correct time. Stand up and sit up at correct time means, suppose example, when in school you go, when your prayer is there, at that time what you people do, you stand up, you join your hands. Okay, and after that you sit down. So at that time you have to stand up and then sit down. So like so many examples are there, others also. When Janagana Mana is going there, our national anthem is there, at that time also we people stand up. So times and action, what we have to see, we have to see that the time and action fits, means whatever you are doing, that should be fit on that time. Suppose example, when at night, what is the time? That is the time for your sleeping. At that time you can't sit and play with your mobile. At that time you can't do another work. So each and every work should be done on time. Okay, I hope children, you people are clear with this poem. I hope you people will follow your time correctly. You will do each and everything correctly. Okay children, thank you.